This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my pre-market watch list and trades. So first up we have CHAINLINK. CHAINLINK I was watching this morning. Actually, let's put my charts into perspective. So up here is a candlestick area. This is a volume profile. This is a slow stochastic indicator. This is the MACD indicator. These purple lines that you're seeing here, these are Camarilla pivot points. This is Camarilla pivot R4. This is Camarilla pivot R3. This trade idea was an R4 to an R6 traverse. This blue line is the 200 exponential moving average. This is the 5-minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart. And this is the 60-minute chart. I'll walk you through what I was seeing here on CHAINLINK this morning. So we'll come down here on the 60-minute chart, and CHAINLINK is trading above the 200 EMA, so I'm going to classify it as strong. My trading system won't allow me, if I'm following my rules, to trade this short. We can see the volume profile. There's a bit of a volume spike here that takes the price action above the R4 level right here. But other than that, volume is pretty flat in an overbought condition, and buyers have momentum with the MACD above the average. Here on the 60-minute, we'll see here the same thing. Price action above the 200 EMA, flat volume. Price action here on the slow stochastic is in an oversold condition, and sellers in control, or sellers with momentum with the MACD below the average. So this looked good. I set my stop here when I took the entry here. The problem with CHAINLINK this morning, and the reason why I don't want to take it anymore, is because it broke out, formed this new high, so that would make this the strong low. So when this new high was made, breaking the previous high, this strong low came in. This particular candle right here that I stopped out on closed below this low here. So when it did this, for me, what I know about market structure, this would be a change of character. So when I see this, I want to stop trading this particular currency pair. It may get legs, and buyers may come in and drive the price back up over the R4 level, and I may look at it again, but I'm not particularly interested in this trade just because of the change of character, and it may consolidate due to the fact that it's strong above the 200 here on the 60, the 15, and the 5-minute. And I like to see that type of correlation, but my or incorporation of market structure into my trading system, this particular trade idea is no longer valid. But this was, as I mentioned, an R4 to an R6 traverse potentially. And now we'll move on. We'll take a look at CARDANO. So this is CARDANO this morning. We'll take a look and see here. So what I'm seeing here on the 60-minute, and I took a couple of entries on this, which is common for me. Here, trading above the 200, this is the R4 level, and this is the R3 level. and I'll when I come up here and after I review the charts, I'll show the R6, but this is an R4 to an R6 traverse trade idea. Overbought conditions or potentially aggressive buying here. Buyers with momentum, MACD over the average. Here on the 15-minute, I believe my stop is somewhere, let's see, most of my market structure and my stops are off of the 15-minute. I believe my stop is somewhere below this this red candle right here. I believe my stop is 76.28. Actually, I'll show you my stop and my take profit here on the 5, or if not, I'll back down to a larger chart here. But let's just continue breaking everything down. Trading above the 200 EMA here. Volume profile, starting to get some volume come in with this price action right here at the R4 level. We can see here we're slow stochastic, we're kind of in the middle of the range here. And then here we've got sellers in control with the MACD trading under the average on the 15, and then on the 5 trading above the 200 EMA. Volume's pretty flat here in an oversold condition on the 5 minutes, so could see some buying here. And sellers with some momentum with the MACD looking like it's below the average here. We'll come up, actually we'll go to the 15-minute. I mostly trade here off of the 15-minute as my main chart here. So this red line you'll see is my stop loss here at 76.18. It's 10 cents below this candle here, and the spread is 9 cents. So I gave it a cent extra here in case it pulled back. And then for a profit of, okay, it's not going to show there. Let's see if we can pull it up on the 60. No, we won't be able to pull it up on the 60. So I'll just pull up. Okay, here's where we're at. So this is my target here at 0.79, and my entry is 0.766 is my entry, and then here is my stop. So we're working with at least a 4 to 1 here. So this is my current position here in Cardano, and we'll go over to Litecoin. Litecoin took a few entries. Let's see, it was tricky to get into. You can see it comes in. Actually, let's go to the 60-minute here. So the 60-minute trading above this 200 EMA, not much volume. We can see here in an overbought condition. Buyers have momentum with the MACD over the average here. The 15, not much volume. 200 moving average, the price action is trading above it in this mid-range on the slow stochastic, and sellers have momentum, and the MACD just crossed under the average. Here on the 5-minute, and these are the cams right here. This is R4, this is R3, this is for an R4 to an potential R6 traverse up here. So this is the trade idea, trading above the 200 EMA. We can see a little bit of volume here with the price action where I entered. Oversold conditions, so looks good for some buying here. And we have the MACD crossing under the average with seller momentum here. So we'll come over here to the 15. So this is my first entry here. This is a bit of FOMO. And I take this entry here. I stop out on this candle. This candle here, again, FOMO. I set my stop at the low or below this particular candle while it was actually in the candle. I don't particularly like putting in these blind stops. From a market structure perspective, with this high being put in that broke this previous high right here, this would be the strong low here, or potentially here. So you can see my stop is a few cents under here, and I took the entry right here at 95.40. And we'll back up here on the 60. No, we won't be able to see take profit here. It's too far away on this chart. Okay, so my entry is 95.40, stop at 94.96. So it's this candle that I made the stop based off of. This is 95.06, so I move, this is 95.06, the spread is 9 cents, so I gave it 10 cents, gave it an extra cent, and my take profit is 97.29. So from 95.40, I was getting a 4 to 1 or potentially a little better. And then we'll take a look at my tickets from this morning. Small loss here, small loss here, small loss here, small loss here. This here is LITECOIN. This was my first stop out on LITECOIN. This is my first stop out on CARDANO. Here's my stop out on Link, but didn't take a re-entry. And then here's my other stop out on LITECOIN. Just keeping it round, let's say this is about 16 cents. This is about 36 cents, maybe 31, maybe 22. So actually let's see what we have here. So if we're calling this 16, and we'll call this, let's say 36, and then we'll call that 32, and then we'll call this 22. So right now down about $1.06, and these are based off of an average of a 50-cent risk, but based on my stop loss, it's going to be tighter than that. And you can see here nothing is anywhere near the 50-cent risk mark. We'll see how risk management works today on these trades and see if I can make up the difference here of the $1.06 that I've given to the market this morning trying to make entries. But we'll see how things go over the course of the day. But this is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.